So in today's session, we are going to discuss about scheduled jobs topic, guys. Today's session, we are going to discuss about a scheduled jobs topic. Okay. So scheduled jobs, server-side script, which is used to do the same activity at regular intervals. Okay. Scheduled jobs is a server-side script which is used to do the same activity at regular intervals. The same activity at regular intervals means, guys. So let us take your manager has asked you to send the report on every Friday at 5 p.m. So every Friday at 5 p.m. Okay. Every Friday at 5 p.m. I have to send a report to the manager. Okay. So here, as a human, we might forget some days. Okay. But systems will never forget. Systems will never forget to do the tasks. Okay. So what I do, I'll create a scheduled job. That scheduled job will actually send the report to the manager on every Friday at 5 p.m. So if I have to send a report to my manager, on every Friday at 5 p.m., I'll use scheduled jobs. So if I have to send a report on every month end, so every month end I have to send a report to my manager. Okay. So here every month end, sometimes I may forget. Okay, today is month end or not. Sometimes we as a human sometimes will forget, but systems never. So if you create a scheduled job, that scheduled job will actually send a report on every month end. Okay. So I have to send a report on every last Saturday. Every last Saturday, I have to send a report to the manager. So here we may forget to send the report or every last Saturday of the month. So instead, if you create a scheduled job, that will be sending an email, that will be sending a report on every month last Saturday. Okay, fine. So here I am going to create a scheduled jobs, guys. Okay, just a type of scheduled jobs here. Under system definition, you will find a module called scheduled jobs. These are the scheduled jobs. So guys, you will find scheduled jobs under system definitions. These are the scheduled jobs. I am going to create a new scheduled job here. Okay. So here, when I click on new here, you will be able to see automatically automate the generation and distribution of a report. When you click on this one, it will actually send you a report to the manager on scheduled basis. Let us say I have to send a report. So weekly incident report. Here, guys, you have to select the report. Okay. Here you can see, you can select the reports, which is already created. You can create a new report, guys. Okay. Weekly incident trend. This report, I have to send it to the manager. This report, I have to send it to the manager on every Friday at 5 p.m. Okay. You will select your manager name here. Let us say my manager name is Abraham Lincoln. I will select my manager name as Abraham Lincoln here. So Abraham Lincoln has email, right? Okay. So here, if you want to send it to the group members, you will select the group members as well here. I am selecting application development group members here. So if you have any private email address, you can send the email address here. You can keep your email address. You can keep list of separated email addresses. Okay. So weekly on every Friday at 5 p.m., right? That means 17. So weekly on every Friday at 5 p.m., it will actually send this report in over the email. To the email, report will be sent. So weekly incident report. So I am creating a scheduled job. Scheduled job, what it does, it will send an email. It will send an email. In that email, it will add this report. It will add this report in the PDF format. If you want it in PNG format, it will add it in PNG format. It will add, if you want to get it added in the embedded PNG format, you can actually add it in this format. So I am selecting PDF format. So you created a scheduled job, guys. So what this job does, this job run every Friday at 5 p.m. and at 5 p.m. an email will be sent. In that email, report will be added. That email will go to Abraham Lincoln application development group members and this list of email addresses. Okay. So for testing purpose, what I am doing is I am just clicking on execute now here. If I click on execute now, it will actually send this report now. I am clicking on execute now. Okay. So now we will see if the report is sent out or not over the email or not, we have to check. To check that, you have to go to emails under system logs. Under system logs, you have to go to emails. So here, weekly incidents report. So here you can see these are the members that have received this report, guys. I am opening this email that is sent out from ServiceNow. You can see sent ready. Okay. So if you see here, it has actually added the report in the PDF format. You can see subject is weekly incident report. Hi team, please find weekly incident report. Many thanks. So this is the email that is actually sent out. So in this email, this report will be attached. This report will be attached and it will actually ServiceNow will send an email. So guys, here this job runs every Friday at 5 p.m. It will send an email. In that email, this report will be attached. These are the recipients. So okay, say this report. If I want to send it daily at 5 p.m. So select daily at 5 p.m. Okay, this report will be daily at 5 p.m. So every Friday at 5 p.m. Then it will actually send every Friday at 5 p.m. Every Monday at 5 p.m. Every Tuesday at 5 p.m. Every Wednesday at 5 p.m. So every Friday at 5 p.m. Okay. So if you want to send the report on monthly basis, every month first, if you want to send this report. Okay. If you want to send this report for every 5 hours, if you want to send this report, you will select periodically. Once means only one time. So on which particular date this job should run? On 18th of October, this job should run. Only one time it will run. So on demand, okay. On demand will not run, guys. On demand will not run. On demand means you have to execute it manually. So when you select on demand, it will not run on scheduled basis. You have to come to this job. You have to click on execute now. Okay. On demand means it will not be executed automatically. You have to come to this job. You have to click on execute. Okay. So entry start. Entry start means, guys, here you have to add few fields on this particular form, guys. Okay. Business calendar field. So if you select here as entry start, you will be able to see. If you select entry end, you will be able to see this one. If you select on demand, though, that field will be disappearing. So I am selecting entry start here. When I select entry start, you will see business calendar. Okay. If you select year here, okay, you can see job is set to run at the start of the year entry. Year entries, that is actually 2025 first of January. So every year first this job will run. Okay. So every month first, if this job should run every month first, you will select a month here. So you can see here. Okay. I am selecting month here again. I am selecting year here. You can see job is set to run at the start of the year entries. Next action is 2025 January 1st. If I select a month here, the job is set to run start of the month entries. The next action is November 1st. So November 1st, for every month first, this job should run. So every month first, this job should run means you will select entry start, you will select month here. So every month end, this job should run. Every month end, this job should run. So here, what is it telling? Job will set to run in the end of this month entries. Next entries will be here. It will be October last day, guys. But it is taking October 1st. November 1st it is taking, but it is supposed to be 31st of October. Maybe due to some time zone issues, it is actually showing November 1st as a date here. But it is actually every month end the report will be sent. Okay, entry end I have selected every month end. So every year end we'll select year end here. Okay, job is set to at the end of the year entries. The next action will be 2024 December 31st. But it is taking time differently because of some time zone issues. Okay, fine. Okay. So if you want to run the job daily, you will select daily. If you want to run the job weekly, you will select weekly. If you want to run the job monthly, you will select monthly here. So monthly on every month 15th, the job should run means you will select every month on 15th, the job should run. Okay. So Likewise, you will actually select the frequency here. So weekly on Friday. Okay, weekly on Friday at 5 p.m. it will run. Guys, in this report, if there are no records found, if there is no data in this report, don't send the report. Omit if no records. Don't send email if the report filter returns no records. So in this report, if 0 records found, it will not send the report, guys. Remember, omit if no records means don't send email if report filter returns no records. So in this filter, in this report filter, if 0 records found, the report will not be sent out. Okay, fine. Guys, suppose this report should be sent on every month end. Okay, so here what you will do, you will actually select uh, entry end. You will select here as month. You can also do this approach. You can follow this approach so that actually the report will be sent in the every month end. Okay, you can follow this approach, or I can also follow another approach. What approach? Here I will use scripting here, guys. Okay, I will use scripting here. So if you check the conditional checkbox, you can write the scripting here. Okay, so which script you can write? If guide system I am using, gs dot is of this gs dot is last day of the month. Is last day of the month. So if it is true, then answer is equal to true. Answer is equal to true means condition is satisfied. Else answer is equal to false. So here this will run daily. So daily this job will run. Daily this job will run. Daily it will check. Daily it will check. Today is the last day of the month or not. Okay. Today is last day of the month or not. So let us say today. So October 10th, right? October 10th is last day of the month, right? Not last day of the month, right? Then it will give false. So if it is false, answer is false. If it is true, answer is true. Answer is true means condition is satisfied. Answer is equal to false means condition is not satisfied. So on October 31st, this will be true. This will become true. If this is true, on October 1st, this report will be sent. What I have here, I have checked here as daily. Daily this job will run. And here it will check the condition. So daily it will check today is last day of the month or not. Daily it will check today is last day of the month or not. So finally, once it reaches the last day of the month, on that day it will be true. If it is true, the answer will be true. If the answer is true, report will be sent. Is that clear, guys? Hmm? Is that clear, everyone? Okay, fine. Suppose, guys, if I have to send this report only on the weekdays, not on Saturday, Sundays. Saturday, Sundays, we should not send the report. Okay, we should send the report only on the no show priya. We will use scheduled jobs for different purposes. Okay. So scheduled jobs are used to send the reports. Scheduled jobs are used to run the scripts. Scheduled jobs are used to create the records. So scheduled jobs are used for different purposes. Okay. So this is actually the first one. Remaining one I am yet to explain. Okay. So scheduled jobs. So here what it does, daily the job will run. Daily it will check today is the last day of the month or not. So once today is last day of the month, then it will be true. If it is true, answer is equal to true. Else answer is equal to false. Okay, that is fine. That is fine. So here what I'm doing is I have to send the report daily, but not on Saturdays and Sundays. Here what I will do, I'll select the daily here, frequency type as daily here. I'll take today's date where today is equal to new glide date time, new glide date time, where day is equal to day dot day of the week, local I am taking. If else, day equal to 6 or day equal to 7, then answer is equal to false. Then answer is equal to true. Okay. So if it is Saturday or Sunday, don't send the report. Answer is equal to false. If it is not Saturday, Sunday, send the report. That is what the logic I am writing. So that this report will send only Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It will not send the report on Saturday, Sunday. There is no record found. It will not actually send the report on weekdays as well. Omit if no records found. Is that clear, guys? Everyone? Is that clear or not clear? Everyone? Okay. Abhi, what happened? Okay, fine, guys. If I have to send the report on every month last Saturday, if I have to send this report on every month last Saturday, Okay, every month last Saturday I have to send the report. So then what I have to do? First of all, I have to check today is last Saturday of the month or not. Okay. So here you have to use guide system. GS start end of the last month, end of this month. Okay. So end of this month means it will give October 31st date. October 31st is which day? Okay. If that is not Saturday, while day not equal to Saturday, if that is not Saturday, so what you are doing, you are actually taking the end of this month. End of this month means it will give you October 31st. October 31st day I am taking. So October 31st. October 31st is actually Thursday. Okay. Thursday. So what is the last Saturday? Last Saturday is 26th. Last Saturday is 26th, guys. If October 31st is not last Saturday, 30 should be the last Saturday. It is if 30th is last Saturday, 29th should be. If 29th is last Saturday, 28th should be. If 28 is not, 27 should be. 27 is not, 26 should be the last Saturday. So finally 26th is the last Saturday. So what I will do, first of all, I will take the last day of the month first. If 31st is actually last day of the month or not, I am checking here. So here 31st is actually last day of the month. I am taking that is actually a Monday, Friday, or Tuesday. Which day is I am checking here. If it is not Saturday, what I will do is today dot add days -1, so that it will become October 30. Day is equal to day is equal to day is equal to today dot day of the week local time. Okay. So get day of the week local time. Finally, you will get last Saturday. Where are last Saturday? Saturday is equal to get date. Okay. Where today is equal to new glide date time dot get date. Today and last Saturday both are same. Okay. Today and last Saturday both are same. Then keep answer is equal to true. Else answer is equal to false. Else answer is equal to false. Okay. So we'll try to execute this one, guys. in the background script. Let us execute this one in the background script. You can see here, guys, last Saturday is actually 27th it is showing. Ideally, it is supposed to show 26th as a last Saturday. Okay. It is giving today is actually October 10th. October 10th. Both are actually not the same days, right? So then it is actually giving false. Ideally, it is supposed to give 26th as a last Saturday. So first of all, I am taking the end of this month, guys. End of this month means October 31st. October 31st day I am taking. If that is not Saturday, remove one day. October 30. October 30 is which day I am taking. If October 30 is not Saturday, so October 29. October 29 it is which day I am taking. And if October 29th is not Saturday, I am taking October 28th. October 28th is not Saturday. And it is coming to October 27th. If October 27th is not Saturday, it will check for October 26th. If October 26th is Saturday, so we are taking that particular date here. Okay. So last Saturday I am taking here. I am taking today's date. So last Saturday and today's date both are equal, then answer is equal to true. Then I am keeping answer is equal to false. Okay. So that what happens? This job will run daily. Daily it will check. Today's date is last Saturday. Today's date and last Saturday both are equal or not. Daily this job will run, guys. This job will run and it will check the condition. Today and last Saturday both are same or not. So if today and last Saturday both are same, then report will be sent. And today and last Saturday both are not same, report will not be sent. Getting my point, guys? This job runs daily. Daily it will check today is last Saturday of the month or not. If today is last Saturday of the month or not. Daily it will check. If today is the last Saturday of the month, it will actually send the report. Answer is equal to true. If both are equal, today and last Saturday both are equal, both are same, then answer is equal to true. Else answer is equal to false. Okay. Are you guys clear? Everyone. So if I have to send the report on every month first Monday, if I have to send the report on every month first Monday, guys, what should I do? Hmm? Yes, very good. Beginning of this month, you have to use first date. Okay. So here you have to take beginning of this month. Okay. So if the beginning of this month, if you are taking October 1st date, October 1st date day you are taking, if that is not Monday, okay, you will actually add one day here. You will not remove the day, you will add one day. You will second day is Monday or date second is actually Monday or not, you will check. If date second is not Monday, you will check third. Third is actually third date is Monday or not, you will check. So finally you will take the first day, first Monday of this month. So here, okay. Let me execute this line of script here. So first Monday is actually 7th October. 7th October is actually the first Monday. Okay. Seventh October is actually the first Monday. So today is not first Monday. Then it has given the output as false. So likewise, guys, this job runs daily. This job runs daily. Okay. So daily it will check. Daily it will check. Today is the first Monday of the month. Today is first Monday of the month. So let us say if today is first day of the month, first Monday of this month, it will actually send the report out. Hope this is clear for everyone, guys. Guys, answer me. Hmm? Okay, I am unmuting everyone, guys. You can ask your questions.
హలో
Hello. Yeah.
సార్ ఇది షెడ్యూల్ ఈమెయిల్ ఆఫ్ రిపోర్ట్స్ వీక్లీ ఇన్సిడెంట్ రిపోర్ట్ ఉంది కదా సార్, ఇది ఓన్లీ ఫర్ అంటే సర్వీస్ నౌలో ఏదైనా రిపోర్ట్ వస్తే దానికి యూజ్ చేస్తారా? దానికోసం అడుగుతున్నాను సార్. ఇందాక నేను పెట్టాను మెసేజ్, దానికి మీరు రిప్లై లేదు.
I didn't understand your question at all. First of all, first make your question clear so that I can answer you.
ఓకే సార్, అదే సార్ నా డౌట్ చెప్పాను.
I didn't understand you. That could you please come again?
షెడ్యూల్ ఈమెయిల్ ఆఫ్ రిపోర్ట్ వీక్లీ ఇన్సిడెంట్ రిపోర్ట్ ఉంది కదా సార్,
Hmm.
అది ఓన్లీ ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇప్పుడు సర్వీస్ నౌ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం, దాంతో ఏమన్నా రిపోర్ట్స్ వస్తే దానికోసం యూజ్ చేస్తారా ఈ షెడ్యూల్ ఈమెయిల్ ఆఫ్ రిపోర్ట్స్?
No, no, no.
ఎస్ సార్.
See, reports and dashboards topic I am yet to cover. Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
Don't think about reports for now. Okay. So
Okay,
here,
sir.
understand that we use scheduled jobs to send the reports on scheduled basis. Every Friday I have to send a report. This is the report. How to create this report and all we'll discuss separately.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay.
థ్యాంక్స్.
So we will discuss about this reports creation separately, guys. Imagine this is a report. Okay. So here, this is how the report will look like. So you go to the medical checkup. They will give you a report, right? So this is a report. Okay. The report you are actually sending over email. You got it, Abram? So this report you will get it here. So that report you are actually adding through this report. So you are sending this report to the Abraham Lincoln Application Development Group members, these two email addresses, on every Friday at 5 p.m. You are actually sending this report to these members over this particular email address. Over this email, you are sending an email. In the email, you are actually attaching the report you are sending to these members. Got it or not?
ఎస్ సార్.
Okay. Likewise, if you have to schedule the reports on regular intervals, let us say daily, only weekdays, or only Mondays, only Saturdays, only Fridays, only Wednesdays, or every month first, or every month end. Okay, every month end, for every 5 hours, for every 10 hours, for every 6 months, for every 7 months. Okay. So only once, and you have on demand. On demand means this will not run. You have to manually execute it. And entry start means year end, month end, week beginning. Entry start means year beginning, month beginning, week beginning. Entry end means year end, month end, week end. Something like that. It will be sending the reports on scheduled basis. Clear or not, Abram?
సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Tomorrow we'll be discussing other type of scheduled jobs, guys. Tomorrow we'll be discussing other type of scheduled jobs. So we have discussed automatically schedule, automate the generation and distribution of a report. Okay, automate the generation and distribution of a report. So you can actually select this one. Second one is automatically generate something and automatically run a script of your choosing. So tomorrow we'll be discussing about these two in tomorrow session. Okay. In the meantime, if you guys have any questions, you can ask your questions, guys. Sumaitri, Rajesh, Jagdish, Raj, Shobhriya, Shruti. In the meantime, if you guys have any questions, you can ask these questions. Okay, guys, don't hesitate to ask the questions. Please feel free to ask the questions, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, then I am winding up the session. We'll be connecting tomorrow, guys. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you all.